It's our intentions to go out, test the changes I've made to the jib. However, the wind might have other ideas.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So once again we've got the headland from Hartlepool. We're just going out for a little bit of a sail. There's very little wind, in fact at the moment it's zero, and we've just been bashed with a wake of two tugboats heading north. Beautiful day, blue skies, but yeah, absolutely nothing in the way of wind. We've got the sails up, got the main and the jib out, but yeah, they're just flogging.
Security, all stations, all stations, all stations. Sails flogging because 3.3 knots, so we're drifting at about 1.6 possibly. Just drifting along. I actually got up to 2 knots. Woohoo! We've got 3.5 knots of wind coming from about that direction. I could probably trim them in a little bit more if I could be bothered. I'm just trying to wend my way through the few pots that's out here. There aren't many. Downwind and a few now, which I just need to keep an eye on. But the tide is sort of heading that way, so we're in a lot of tide either today.
Some decent swells.
Yeah, it is a bit rolly. Roly-poly.
Well, the fuel turbine's starting to work.
Yeah, the sound. Might be robbing all the wind. There's a theory that because the bounties create turbulence, so the front ones, the ones that are to windward, catch all the wind, but the ones behind get lesser and lesser and lesser because they get dirty air coming off the rest of them. tack across. We'll go on to the opposite tack. It might be a bit earlier than 1400.
Well, what time is it now?
11:30. Been out an hour and a half. Yeah. Right, we're just after 10 when we set up. Right, you're ready to do a tack. All I want to do is move the boom across to about the angle that it's currently in. When you wake up. So it'll be easing on that side, on the port side. And then tighten up on starboard. Okay, autopilot is off. Ready and turning. And about there.
Where's my son? You've got rid of my son.
I've got it on my face now. Hat on, coat on. Suddenly got cool.
Suddenly.
Bloody pot there. Can't see his brother.
Well, there's one off that way behind us. What colour is it? Orange.
Orange. Nothing ahead. Let's see.
And so after settling on port tack, running a little bit with the tide, we were getting a better wind angle, and the breeze actually did pick up, so we got up to about 5.5 knots with 11 knots of wind. Super sail down,
Lovely in the sun, but
but it's a little bit cool.
breeze is coming off the sea.
So thank you for watching us. Please do subscribe to our channel. Only about 30% of our viewers do subscribe. Subscriptions do help, they are free, it's dead easy to do, just click on the link below. Also, please do remember we have 3 books about our sailing adventures. Links are in the descriptions below. So did the changes work? And what changes did we do? Well, what I did, I actually lowered the jib, so the jib sail is almost on top of the furler, and tightened the leech line. They're the 2 main things that we did to affect the sail. And the other thing is I put it on its own halyard, but that wouldn't have any effect. So did it work? Well, the sail seems to fill out a lot better.
Yeah.
And even in the very light winds that we had, this made the sailing so relaxed. So what next? Well, we're almost ready to start our summer sailing. What have we got planned? Well, it's sailing, so you can never have a firm plan. What we want to do is go up the east coast, back through the Caledonian Canal, east to west, and sail the west coast again. This time we want to turn north around the Ardmurchan and head up towards Cape Wrath. If the weather gods play right, we intend to go around Cape Wrath, across the top of Scotland, through the Pentland Firth, and come back down the east coast back home. That does all depend on the weather gods. Now we're just starting some other bits of prep, and that's getting food and clothes ready. We've still got a couple of weeks yet, but you know, it keeps mounting up.